When it comes to designing, renovating, or building your dream home, the vast array of available products can be really overwhelming. But have no fear, Tile Mart is here. Hi, I'm Julee Ireland. I'm an interior design architect and I'm the founder of Home Renovation School. I'm so excited to partner with Tile Mart to showcase their stunning products and unite Home Renovation School with Tile Mart University, part of Tile Mart's innovative e-commerce platform that's changing the industry. With over 3 decades of tile industry expertise, we've simplified your shopping experience, offering a diverse range of top quality, globally sourced tile and stone products at unbeatable prices that are handpicked just for you. And your journey doesn't stop there. Welcome to an amazing adventure with Tile Mart University and Home Renovation School. Each week, we'll bring you captivating videos, sharing insider design tips, current trends, exclusive deals, and the secrets behind our products. We're not just about selling. We're about helping to guide you every step of the way on your project. Join us to transform your vision into a reality. At Tile Mart, we're redefining the e-commerce experience, reimagining spaces, and changing lives one project at a time. Join us at Tile Mart for an incredible simplified shopping experience and the Tile Mart University and Home Renovation School, where we're on a mission to turn your dream vision into a reality.